In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner image to your Shopify homepage using desktop. By the end, you'll have a polished hero section that introduces your brand the moment someone lands on your store. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin. On the left, open Online Store, then choose Themes. This is where all your theme settings live. Next to your active theme, click Customize. That opens the theme editor, which shows a live preview of your storefront on the right and a settings sidebar on the left. Everything you change here updates in real time, so it's a safe space to fine-tune your design before you save. At the top of the editor, check the template dropdown and make sure you're editing the homepage. Most stores open to it by default, but it's good to confirm so your changes appear exactly where you expect. Now let's add the banner. In the left sidebar, click Add Section. You can scroll through the list or use the search box to find a section such as Image Banner or Image with Text. Image Banner is perfect for a full-width hero image. Image with Text gives you a background image, plus room for a heading, description, and a call to action button. Click the one that fits your theme and add it to your homepage. With the section added, click it in the sidebar to open its settings. Choose Select Image or Change Image, then upload your banner from your computer or pick one from your Shopify files. If your theme supports it, you can upload a separate mobile image for better small screen cropping. Set the image focal point, top, middle, or bottom, so key parts of your image stay visible across devices. If your theme offers it, adjust the desktop image height to small, medium, large, or adapt to match your brand's layout. Use the Overlay Opacity slider to add a semi-transparent layer over the image. This is great for making light text readable on busy photos. If the section allows, you can also link the entire banner to a collection, product, or page for a seamless click-through. To add messaging, look for content blocks like heading, text, and button. Enter your headline, optional subheading or description, and set the button label and link. You can position the content block at the top, middle, or bottom, and align it left, center, or right on desktop to suit your design. Drag the section up or down in the sidebar until it sits exactly where you want it on the page. When you're happy with everything, click Save. Your homepage banner is ready to go.